Well, first bike is out of service. All right, we've got pretty much everything we're getting for the road, and we gotta make a couple pit stops. You ready to go get something to eat? Are you hungry? Okay. Change the plans. We was gonna go to Zaxby's, but instead, Taco Bell it is. So, I like Taco Bell.
Oh, never mind. Change your plans again.
No, never mind. Not Taco Bell.
Hey, let's just not eat anything.
You wanna see about my Hardee's?
I don't want Hardee's.
Dang. It ain't meant for us to eat. There we go. Real quick before we dive in.
I've already dived in. I don't know what you're talking about. I already almost used one whole sauce.
Oh, really? Carmen got her spicy tenders. And I got my grilled chicken with mayo. So, she's hungry. I'm hungry. You have a good one.
All right, we'll see y'all next time.
All right.
Enjoy that beautiful weather out there.
Oh, it's beautiful, ain't it? Chick-fil-A is the best. Chick-fil-A is the best.
I don't know if Chick-fil-A is better or if Zaxby's is better.
All right, well, we're going to take off and touch bases a little bit later on. I don't know what, when, or where.
Or how.
Or how. Or... Okay, all right, let's get on the road again. We are actually taking the back roads. I guess you could call it the roads less traveled. We thought we would just go ahead and take the back roads, at least for a little while anyways. That's it. Is that one of the most fanciest Dollar Generals you've ever seen? Mm-hmm. I think it is. Hey, can I have $5? While on the way to where we're going, I noticed this little ice cream shop here called Catawba Creamery. And look at this old truck here. Is that not cool or what? That is pretty cool. This is Catawba Creamery and Ice Cream. That is pretty cool. I'll get a picture of that. Now back on the road after we checked out the little ice cream truck there for the Catawba Creamery ice cream shop. Looks like a future video idea right here. So, all right, let's get back on the road. All right, we are here at our location, finally. Jana is going to get in the truck.
I'm trying not to laugh. Yep, you gotta get in with your knees.
Oh, Jana, that could be your first vehicle. Yep, that could be your first vehicle. Whee! Y'all ready to get your fingers bit off?
Yeah.
We are at the back of this neighborhood, and we got horses here. Hey, horsey. Hey there. Hey there. That's the horse is really taken care of. You can tell, yeah. Well, they all are. Hey. Hey. You want me to pet you?
Just pet his nose. If he backs away from your hand, don't.
Yeah. See? I'm not gonna hurt you.
Oh, look at your eyes.
Horses are beautiful.
Oh,
Whoa. Whoa. Maybe I shouldn't pet him.
Did you get that on video?
Yeah.
I think he just got jealous.
I think so too. Listen, I could sit out here all day though. I don't know. He might be a little aggressive.
I won't pet him. His tail.
Yeah. I do want to pet you there again, buddy, but you know.
Pet him, it's fine.
Garmin's like, don't pet him. You want me to pet you? Look at those eyes.
I know, they're so cute. Look at how pretty his little hair is.
It's like so peaceful.
One day we should pay to ride a horse.
I've rode a horse before in Bryson
I have
City
too.
on a mountain trail, and the horse tried to buck me off. I was like, whoa,
Oh my gosh.
whoa.
When I was younger, I rode one here because my friend had a birthday party. I don't even know who,
Yeah.
but we came here.
You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
There's like 20 down there.
They boarding the horses. That's what they do here.
Sometimes there's like horse shows here, and so there'll be like cars all down the street. Why is there orange peels?
Yeah.
Why someone came down here and gave him an orange?
Hobby park, is that pretty cool?
Oh, the little.
Yeah, that's what
Yeah,
your dad's gonna
yeah.
take us. You getting in all right? What's up, Dodge man? Dodge van. 25 years exactly from the one I'm driving in this one.
Sorry.
And it still looks good. There it is, half a tank.
We're going to a bike park to ride bikes with my little brother.
We see some planes or something, like little
Yeah.
remote control
We see
planes.
like drones and like these
Oh,
remote control cars that go over the ramps and stuff.
yeah, okay.
I like the smell of the truck. It smells like a new car.
Oh, I know, I love it. I wish I could keep that
I
smell
know.
forever.
You know what I mean? Like that smell.
I know.
How do they make it smell like that?
So we are at Hobby Park, right, Jason?
Yes, sir.
And what do they call it? Hobby Park?
Hobby park. You can just get out of the house, come do any type of hobby you'd like. If you like riding remote control cars, we've got a place for you to ride those. If you like to ride your bike, they've got a course you can ride through the woods. You can make some jumps. If you like to race behind wood derby cars, there's a whole track over here you'll be able to see.
Yeah, that's what we headed to now. So
You want to ride your bike through the woods. If you even want to go fishing, there is several ponds down in the woods, and even a picnic shelter where you can have a party, birthday party, or a little get together. And then also for all those that like to fly drones, airplanes, things of that nature, got the whole setup so you can drive those and just have a good little place of fun. I believe it used to be a landfill, and now it's just a place to do your hobbies. These little cars you get there and you can ride it.
oh, okay.
Like homemade cars.
Oh, I got you. Kind of like
Derby box, soap box.
yeah, yeah,
You got the little stoplights down there, you see it?
yeah.
Comes across. And
So they actually have like competitions stuff
Yeah.
here. That would be a little sight to see there. You know, see people cheering each other on. Go, 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 go,
you
go.
get to moving down through there. I
Yeah, well, I'm
your
sure.
bicycle just coasting there.
Yeah.
You pick up some speed, wouldn't you?
Mm-hmm. Look at this shirt I'm wearing. Cobra Kai shirt. So, yeah, I'm going to get my tripod out so I can maybe get some pretty good shots riding our bikes. All right, go ahead. We are at the park where it's got bike trails and all that stuff. So,
Can I
yeah,
go now?
go ahead.
Okay. Woo! I've never done that.
You all right there? You need some help?
No.
Go ahead.
Move, for real.
Go ahead, Carmen.
No, I actually want to go.
I know, go.
No.
Go, I'll move. You just stay straight. This is a standoff. Stay straight.
Okay. I'll go.
Okay. Whoa! You want the challenge? Come on. Come on, big man. Come on, big man. He's like, I'm gonna go over here. Okay, here we go. It's Jana's turn. I'm gonna stand up because I don't trust her.
I'm gonna go right for you.
Go ahead. Okay. Just stay straight. Jana's fixing to send me to the hospital.
Ready?
I'm ready. Whee! Done good. I got you in slow-mo. I don't know how good it done. Yeah. Yes, it's a beautiful day to get out and do these outdoor activities. I'm gonna get those remote control cars in a minute. If you ever in this area, it's in the Winston, Salem, North Carolina area. Nice park. There you can see the remote control car. Carmen's way down there on the asphalt track.
Jana, is your Wi-Fi low?
Well, first bike is out of service, out of commission. Yeah. Or maybe not. You can stand up on the seat, just put your weight more toward the front.
I tried, but
Not toward the back.
it's like every time I go over one of those bumps, it'll keep going down and down and down.
That thing goes good. You want to record me riding it?
Are you actually going to? Where you
Try it.
start? You should start. Here, I'll show you a place. Don't get on it yet.
Don't break it.
Hey guys,
My dad would be mad if you break it.
guys, you didn't
Is this the one where
You can sit there.
the bike, the back?
If you fall and break a bone,
Yes.
That's
What
on you.
happened?
nothing.
What happened to your bike?
Here, come here. Just okay. Well, then don't ride it.
He wants the chicken tenders instead.
What does to Zach?
Tzatziki?
Yeah, he does sausage.
It's like a yogurt and cucumber. Pretty good. I like that at least.
I want the original.
Okay. What did you want?
Okay. I want the old fashioned.
Old-fashioned? On pita?
Yeah, pita.
Everything okay on that?
Yeah, everything's good on
Would
it.
you like to make it a combo?
Yes.
What side item?
Fries.
From what drink?
Sweet tea. We are in the year 2002. We are now in downtown Winston-Salem. We're going to this place called some kind of cheesecake place. Don't know the name of it, but some kind of cheesecake place. So we're gonna go there and grab some dessert, cheesecake. I don't know what they have, so yeah. Hop in the little city, Winston-Salem, North Carolina. So is this called Cheesecake by Alex? I smell coffee out there. There's the menu. That's the kind of cheesecake I'll be eating right there. They got their bags of stuff here.
I'm looking. Do you know what you want?
I don't know yet. I might get a coffee.
I don't know if I want plain cheesecake.
This is the New York style.
I'll just get New York style.
Spotless in there. Look at that. It don't look good. I'm not really impressed looking the way it looks. Well, I mean, it's supposed to be a white mocha. Not a good experience, I can tell you that.
That's gonna be bitter as crap. It's so bad. That tastes like I'm just drinking bitter coffee.
Just give me the New York style cheesecake. The original Mac Daddy.
Besides coffee, do you like your cheesecake?
I did like my cheesecake, so thank y'all for showing us this spot. I said thanks for showing us this spot.
Yeah, we'll
I'll come
find
back.
another spot.
What was your experience like riding in the back of the truck?
It was fun.
So we are back from downtown.
You would go fast and we would like hit our feet. It felt like we were going like high up.